If you've been trying to install Abaqus 2026 and nothing seems to work, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the right way to download and install Abaqus 2026 from start to finish. No outdated guides, no license headaches, and no guesswork. I'll cover everything you need and all download links are in the description below. Let's get started. So you can simply search Abaqus 2026 Learning Edition. So there's a website by Dassault System, 3ds.com. Click on it. You see here we have Abaqus Learning Edition and you can download it, but note that Abaqus Learning Edition is free, but there are some limitations, such as it's limited to 1000 nodes, or you cannot have subroutine and parallelization. If you're okay with that, go for download Abaqus for free. You need to log in, so I already logged in. Then you can come here. You have Abaqus, CST, and antenna. Here it says downloads 2026 Abaqus Learning Edition. It says you can visit the website here. So I click on this one. It takes me to the platform. It says free download here. You have different options here. We want to select Simula Abaqus. We have 2026 Abaqus, Golden. We have also 2025 and 2024. So these are the details. Then we need to click on here, show details. And we have this one, a zip file. So it's almost 6 gigabytes. Make sure to have a stable internet to download it. So I click on it, I create a folder of Abaqus Learning Edition and save it. In the meanwhile, we need to remove the previous Abaqus Learning Edition. You can simply go to the add or remove programs, and here you need to search for Learning Edition. We have Abaqus 2025 Learning Edition. We need to remove the documentation and Abaqus Learning Edition. So here I click on it, uninstall, click yes. It says, are you sure do you want to delete Abaqus 2025 Learning Edition documentation, and click on yes. And there we go, it is uninstalled. Now it's time to go for the Abaqus 2025 and uninstall it from here. Click uninstall, and yes, this one takes a while, so click on yes. And now it's time to reboot the computer before going for the installation. Alright, the download is completed. Now you can right click on it, and if you have WinRAR you can click on extract here, or if you don't have WinRAR you can right click on it and you can click on extract all. Then you can select the destination here, then extract, and it would do the same, but WinRAR is much faster. Before we move to the next one, I want to ask you a favor. If you enjoyed this video so far, please leave a comment for me down below. It's totally free for you, but it helps me a lot to grow. If you want to support the channel, you can click on these 3 dots and click on thanks, or you can click on the link here to buy me a coffee, or you can join the channel. Thank you very much. Now it is extracted. Let's click on the folder, and here we can set it up. Make sure to right click on it and run it as administrator. Click yes. Now we can select it. Next. Then we can have Java. If you haven't downloaded Java, we can do it together now. So let's click on this one here. Now you can download Java from here. Let's go down. We have Linux, Mac, and Windows, but we go for Windows because the software is not available for the first two, and we need to download the x64 installer. So click on it and you can save it here. Now the download is completed. Run this one as administrator as well. Click yes. Next, next. And now it is finished. Click on close. And let's go back to here. So now we need to identify the Java. So you can go to drive C, program files, and Java here. We have JDK 21, and you can copy this one. Let's go back here and paste it here. Then next. Then click on allow and install this. And there we go, it is finished. Now let's open the software. You can search for Abaqus CAE, and if you have another version of Abaqus, you can always preview the file, open the file location, and this is the Abaqus CAE I'm looking for because this is Learning Edition 2026. And there we go, Abaqus CAE Learning Edition 2026 is installed successfully. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, and if you want to learn Abaqus from scratch, click on the video on screen before it ends, and I see you there. Stay tuned.